Iran's President Ibrahim Raisi and Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdullahian, along with others who have been on board on helicopter, have died on last Sunday, 19 May 2024. The cause hard landing of the helicopter carrying President Raisi is yet unknown. Some experts said dense fog may be the culprit, yet they delivered that a foul play may also take place as thorny domestic and international situation Iran faces currently. Raisi was traveling in Iran's East Azerbaijan province. State TV said what it called a hard landing near Jolfa, a city on the border of the nation of Azerbaijan, some 600 kilometers northwest of the Iranian capital Tehran. But Iran's political structure can still ensure the country's normal function despite the incident, preventing it from descending into chaos. Leaders from many countries, including Iraq, Pakistan, India, expressed their support. Armenia, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and the European Union also offered to provide support to the rescue operation. However, the incident left room for suspicion of foul play, such as its escalating conflict with Israel, assassination of Iranian nuclear scientist Mohsen Fakhrizadeh. Iranian Interior Minister Ahmed Bahidi said in comments aired on State TV that there were several helicopters, yet only Raisi's helicopter was forced to take a hard landing due to the bad weather and fog. However, this does not necessarily mean that the event was orchestrated by enemies of Iran. Following the incident, Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei said in an address on State TV that there will be no disruption in the country's normal operation. Senior officials are doing their work and I have advised them on the necessary points, and all of the country's operation will carry on smoothly and orderly. First Vice President Mohammad Mokber already had begun receiving calls from officials and foreign governments in Raisi's absence, state media reported. Iran's political system is not like other Asian countries' political system. Its constitutional procedure in the event of absence of President Ibrahim Raisi ensures that Iran is unlikely to experience the kind of political instability seen in some developing countries where the political system is not robust. Thanks for watching the video.